What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? What's up? It's your skinny boy Randy. How you doing today? Hey, you guys, I missed you. I haven't made a video in a couple of days. I missed you so much. Thank you so much for being here. What's going on, you guys? As you can see, we are getting the first rains. I just walked into the door from work and it started pouring down just like that. So I can't do a video outside today. But I just wanted to come and share with you some quick tips. Okay, you guys, first of all, welcome to Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy. If you're new to my channel, click the like and subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers. Okay. Also, click the bell and get a notification every time I make a video, which is like every 5 minutes. Okay. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Don't forget to share the video, you guys, with all of your social media. I would greatly appreciate it. So let's just dive right into this video today, okay? Today I'm going to share with you 10 seeds that you need to start now for your fall garden. Yes, you guys, we are already thinking about fall in August. This is the perfect time to get your seedlings going because you have to remember, ooh, look at all that water, you guys, and it's starting to blow sideways. Okay, let me get out this door before I blow it away. But anyway, I'm going to share with you some seeds that you need to start right now because you need at least 12 weeks, 3 months, you know, before your first frost to get everything the way you want it to be. Being that, you know, your seeds are going to germinate, say, 6 weeks, and then you need another 6 weeks to get them in the ground before the first frost, which ours is somewhere around the end of October. So I'm starting right now in August, and everything should be ready to go out in the ground 6 weeks before October, the end of October. Okay, you guys, so let's just dive right into the video. First thing you want to get into the ground, well, not into the ground, start your seeds, you guys. Start them any order you want to start them in. If you go back and look at my videos on how to start seeds, you can find tips on how to start seeds, your seed starting mix, you know, putting them on the warmer to help them germinate unless you're going to be planting them outside. I'm not going to plant them outside because we have a hurricane coming up the coast, okay? And I hope you guys are safe and sound wherever you are. We are praying for you. For those who are being impacted, you know, head on, like down in Florida. I'm praying for all of you guys, all of my YouTube friends and family, everywhere up and down the East Coast where you're being affected. We love you. We're praying for you. We hope you stay safe, you guys. Okay? I love you. Okay, so let's talk about some things we can get in the ground. Lettuce. Go ahead and start your lettuce, you guys. It take a few weeks to start to germinate, and in about 4 to 6 weeks, they'll be ready. They'll be ready to go into the ground. They love it when it starts to cool down, and you can cut these. You don't have to grow the whole head of lettuce. You trim around it and use it, cut the leaves off, and use them for your salads. And that way you'll have a continuous harvest all the way up through December, possibly. Yeah, and they love the cool weather. So get your lettuce in the ground. Also, more lettuce. You can do butter crunch. Oh, God, I have to stand up for a minute. The rain was coming down my back. You can do butter crunch or romaine lettuce, you guys. Whichever one you choose is fine. You can do both. I'm going to be doing both. Okay. I'm trying to hurry up, you guys, before this rain starts to come into my house. Oh, God. So the next thing we're going to do is spinach. Spinach can be a tricky crop. So take your time growing your spinach. Get it in. Start your seeds now. I'm going to stand up. Get your seeds started now. And when it gets really, really cold, you can box cover them and, you know, shed them from the winter weather. But they tend to do pretty good. Mine went through the winter with no problem last year. Woo! Yeah, the rain is coming in. Let me adjust a little bit, you guys. Okay, there we go. All right. Another crop you want to get in the ground. You can go ahead and start your collard greens, you guys. I love to have collards around November, around Thanksgiving and all that good stuff. So go ahead and start your collard seeds in the ground now. They are very cold weather hardy, and you should do just fine with those. Now, I'm speaking for zone 7, maybe zone 6, and some zone 8. So adjust according to your time zone, you guys. If you don't know what your time zone is, just go to Farmer's Almanac or type in Google, what's my time zone in Richmond, Virginia, and it'll pull it right up, you guys. Also, get you some beans in the ground. It's not too late to plant some peas. And these are some, I have top-notch golden wax beans and some peas. Yes, get these in the ground now. You have plenty of time. You can plant them in the spring, and then you plant them again in mid-summer like we are now for a nice fall crop. So yeah, get you some more peas and beans in the ground. All of these seeds came from Amazon.com, and they came as a kit, so you get everything in one kit. Also, get your root vegetables like your beets in the ground. You can eat the top of these, you guys. You don't have to just eat the root itself, the beet. You can actually cut the tops off and eat the tops, you guys. And I keep getting wet, so you see me go, yow! That's what it is. The rain is coming in, so I'm gonna have to make this video short, quick, and sweet. Thank you guys so much for being here. I love you. Okay, okay. Oh my God, look at this storm, you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see that, you guys? Yes, we have to be safe. We have to be safe, you guys. So get you some turnips in the ground. You can also eat the tops of your turnips. Yes, you guys, I'm doing this right here in the middle of this storm because I love you guys so much. This is Hurricane Isaiah, Ariana Grande. I forgot what the name of it is, but I ain't trying to play with her. Okay, because I mean, I'm fell out. Oh, I'm back. Yes, fall out in the heat and fall out in the rain. So get you some turnips in the ground too, you guys. They are great crop to grow for the root and also for the tops. Get you some radish. Radish is a very quick growing crop. Try to put it in a shady, cool spot if you can right now. But it's being so hot, you don't want it to bolt too soon. But yeah, get you some radish in the ground. They will work great for you as well. Broccoli, one of my favorite crops to grow. I grew it for the first time last year and it came out beautifully. So I'm going to plant much more this year because I love broccoli. I love to eat raw broccoli and cooked broccoli and steamed broccoli. All types of broccoli. We love broccoli. So I'm going to be planting more broccoli in the ground. Get these things in the ground, you guys. And of course, you know I'm going to make a video when I'm planting the seeds. But I wanted to share with you as a part of our fall succession planning, getting ready. This is part 2. The first part, I showed you the supplies that you would need to get you going. So now I'm showing you the seeds that I have. I want you guys to be able to grow with me during this whole process. So I showed you all the supplies that I'm going to be using, minus some chicken compost, you guys. Get you some of that as well. Some chicken compost and some good potting soil mix for the containers. But yeah, had to make sure. Broccoli, I'm going to be growing more broccoli, you guys. So get you some broccoli seeds. And I just want to make sure that you have all the seeds that I have. And, you know, you can have different varieties. But if you want to follow along with me and watch our things grow together, this is why I'm doing this video. Also, get your kale and your lettuces in the ground. These will grow fairly quickly, and you can snip, and they'll keep coming back, and you can snip some more, and they'll keep coming on back. Okay, you guys, so get your lettuces and kales in the ground. Also, if you like the bok choy, that, you can plant that right now. Chard is a great crop to plant right now if that's what you like. So, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. And I just wanted to share that with you guys. So don't forget, if you're new to my channel, click like and subscribe. You guys, I love you so much. Click the bell, share the video, leave a comment. You guys are absolutely amazing. Thank you for getting me to over 10,000 followers. And we're steady growing every day, you guys. I love you so much. And there you have it. 10, maybe 11 seeds that you can start right now to get ready for your fall harvest. Okay, remember, live, love, laugh. You guys, grow stuff and eat it. I love you. You're the best.